Halor ka jing temu ban pen ipu iping na lor ban pendunai ka jing theng kali han Nongbah Shillong Menteri Rangba ka jalau Konrad Kisangma ha ka khat pratare ujemmang arjar psa ulalaj ban jurep ya ki kattu kat ne gi jaka ki bakentop ya ka PWD office ka Pannong Light Park ka Brightwell Bungalow ka badan ha Barik Anjali bat pulu ya ka ba sarkar ka temu ban pen kalakum ki jaka jungok kai. Hakani ke jinglet jurep la senran lang yau Menteri Rangba ka jala da ki officer katanat PWD, ki officer da katanat Urban Affairs, nolor ki officer katanat Forest but Environment. Habakran cikilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ka jala uloong. Baka sorkar ka temu ban snai gi jaka jungok kai hakini gi jaka kum ki museum, ki park, nolor ki wei ki ban pen ipu ipieng ya ka Nongbah bat kum juru ban don gi jaka Pynieng kali, ban pen kho ya ka Nongbah na ka jingtheng kali. Ula ongru bah Barik point an Pynieng ya ka Lama India ka Jrong ban Ïohi lot ka Nongbah Shillong kum kadak ban pen I ka jinget teli bat ka jing so sarong.
For the first time, in fact, in the history of the state, some major interventions in regards to the utility of the land that is owned by the government and the different departments of the government is being done in Shillong city. Close to about 25 acres of land belonging to government is going to be rationalized, and we will try to utilize maximum the entire land utility with the objective of decreasing the congestion in the city, creating more walking space and creating overall more beautification for Shillong city. So behind me, as you can see, that we have the Barik point, and this is a PWD land area. There is a plan to completely utilize this to create an open space for the public, create a parking space on the side, and have small buildings which will be more like museums and promote the culture of us, of our state and the history of our state. At the same time, have small eating joints and small place where tourists can come in and really get an experience of Shillong city. At the same time, right here we also intend to have a very high national flag hoisted here, which will be, as I said, at the heart of the city, which will again be a very strong icon in the city in the center of the city, which again will send a very strong message. And we expect that by July end or by August we should be able to shift the offices from here and start the work maybe sometime in the month of September, and quickly be able to convert this into a nice open space, a green space, and a space where tourists can really enjoy the city.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai ki ration jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba, ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba, ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde uba ba?
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi, ki kta ya kakot ka khaya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam, ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei, ya kamet ka phat jungi ila banyo ya ka jingpang dunasnam mat ka jing bria kikman
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jiga dai kumno
Ïohi ya ka jingtei ya kamet ka phat ka jungi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngien ngat hagi babun ke jingpa ka sarkar ka persangkan barla banwanra ya ka kot ka khia ka FSSAI ka batha ba ukhau ata kamlu kadut bat ke Pynieng bam ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet knang ba ha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu 100% kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet but lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki ta ka sharp plus F haki
ba uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne ai
nang ne kong nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi yaki scheme ICDS MDM PDS kabha na ka banta upat ba ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan da ka ba ki lapha da ukhau ba bhatam na ka banta ki khna bat ki long kimi ki ba armen dei na ka ta ka daw patang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro ki long yeng nang ni shakman tang da ukhau 45
ba fikrannya ka jing shisha
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya